Hi, I'm Dale Reeson and I'm the Head of Airport Operations, and I'm here to explain what the repairs and closure of the southern runway will mean to our runway ops. So in phase one, the southern runway will be fully closed to all operations during both the day and night in order to carry out the deeper repairs as Neil detailed in the previous video. This will mean that all flights during phase one will only use the northern runway, both during westerly and easterly operations. In phase two, once the initial works are completed, we will reopen the southern runway between 7 AM and 7 PM and undertake any subsequent works overnight. This allows us to limit the impact on our local communities and will allow us to provide the usual runway alternation at 3 PM on westerly ops. More information about these works can be found on our website, heathrow.com/noise, and we will keep this website updated as the works progress.